Hello, everyone. I'm Marie,
And I'm Will.
and we're excited to talk about an important aspect of marine biology conservation and how we can all work together to help protect the marine environments across the globe by promoting awareness of dangerous pollutants, specifically microplastics.
So what are microplastics? Microplastics are not a specific kind of plastic, but rather any type of plastic fragment that is less than 5 millimeters in length. In addition, microbeads, a type of microplastic, are very tiny pieces of manufactured polyethylene plastic. They are added as exfoliants to health and beauty products such as some cleansers and toothpastes.
Now we know what microplastics are, let's talk about where they come from. We may think that microplastics only come from larger pieces of plastic debris in the ocean, but they're actually found in a variety of products we use every day. For example, your clothing may release small plastic microfibers every time you do a load of laundry, and the tires of your car can emit small pieces of plastic due to friction as you drive. The exfoliating face and body wash you use could also have microbeads that eventually enter larger bodies of water once they go down the drain. There are other hidden sources of microplastics as well, such as the protective coating sprayed on ocean liners. Plastic fragments can also be produced by the small pieces of plastic chipped off of reflective road markers as we drive over them on busy roads. These tiny particles easily pass through water filtration systems and end up in the ocean and Great Lakes, posing a potential threat to aquatic life.
This picture right here details how microplastics make it into the ocean. I was personally very surprised that fibers from washing clothes contributed so much to the pollution in the ocean. However, does this mean we should stop washing our clothes, driving cars, or using face wash? No, but it is important to know this information. With this information, we can become more careful about how many loads of laundry we do, where we drive to, and what products we buy.
Now let's talk about the impacts on marine health. We may think that microplastics can't do too much damage in the ocean because they're so small, but so are some special ocean creatures. Marine organisms range from some of the biggest mammals on the planet, such as blue whales, which are 82 feet in length, down to tiny creatures such as small fish, which are only a couple of centimeters long. Microplastics may seem tiny compared to a whale, but think about the damage they can do to the digestive system of a small fish. A small piece of plastic, such as a microbead, could block their intestinal tract or could collect inside the organism's stomach, making normal functions now difficult for that organism. Aside from the impact on digestion in small marine organisms, we must also consider the cascading changes caused by even a small change in the marine food web. One species of fish decreasing in abundance could create a lack of food for another organism higher up on the food chain, resulting in changes above that predator, and so on.
While this is an emerging problem, there's a lot of hope within environmental ecologists, especially within the younger generation. To help foster this passion, we created content on TikTok. We are empowering the youth to share what's important to them. We know that the future of the world is dependent on including everyone to be stewards of the earth. We primarily chose two topics that have a lot of utility in the battle for sustainability. They include how plastic enters the ocean and how it enters the food web.
And there currently also is hope in the present progress being completed to address microplastics. On the left, we can see that Johnson & Johnson is moving away from microplastics in their products and choosing more environmentally friendly alternatives. On the right is an example of a special external filter made by Planet Care, which you can attach to your washing machine to catch microfibers before they enter into large bodies of water. This is a very hopeful sign of what's to come, and we hope to see more of this as consumers become increasingly aware of their choices.
So we would like to thank you all for watching this video and give a special shout out to Haley Goss, who spoke to us about her research. And we'd also like to give a shout out to Johnson & Johnson and the other companies for doing the right thing and getting rid of microbeads. If you have any further questions, please reach out to us.